Okay, so I think I am recording. I am on just a normal Safari, which is just like your basic internet for Mac. So I'm just going to go to Beachbody On Demand, which I have a little tab saved because I'm on here all the time and I'm already logged in. So when you go to this little person here, it shows my account and my name. So when you go to the home page of Beachbody On Demand, this is what you'll see. It tells you your stats for the week. As you can see, I've done 3 workouts this week. Sunday is usually my rest day. And like how many workouts you've done for the year, the things that you've recently watched. And then down here is just some new things. So different recipes that are on here, new workout programs that are coming out. Any new blog posts will be right here. And you can kind of just like explore this page at your own pace. But if you come up to this tab right here that says workouts, this is going to be where a lot of your stuff lives. My favorite part about the workout programs tab is that you can sort by fitness level, time, type, or trainer. So if you're looking for something that's under 30 minutes, because that's what you're looking for, you can go ahead and click that button. And let's say that you're looking for something that is like beginner. This is what comes up. So it automatically sorts the workouts by what you're looking for based on what you put in these little tabs. So if you wanted to clear all of them, let's say that I was looking for something that was 30 to 60 minutes, 30 to 60 minutes, and we'll do beginner, intermediate to intermediate. And let's say like I don't like, I don't know, a certain type of program, like I don't like a dance program, so I wouldn't click that. So I could click cardio, I could click low impact, muscle building, slimming, and toning. And it's going to bring up all of the workouts that are based on those parameters that you set. The next thing that I want to show you in here is the nutrition tab. Actually, I'm going to go back to the workouts tab really quickly. So for each program, there is a calendar that you can follow. So in every single workout program, so I just clicked on 21-day fix, every single workout program is going to show you how many total days the program is, about how many minutes long each workout is, and the parameters that it falls under. Now, under here is your workout list. This is where you're going to find all of your workouts. So if you're using this Beachbody On Demand platform on your computer to actually play the workouts versus on your Roku or a tablet or your phone or something like that, this is where that's going to live. So this tab right here, this program materials tab, this is going to be where all of your guides are. This is going to be where all of the materials that are going to help you get through the program. A lot of these things are PDFs, but they do have a calendar here. Again, also a PDF, but it'll show you which days go with which workouts. So that way you can stay on track. You can print these workouts out, these calendars out and cross off the workouts as you do them. That's how I find it most easy to stay on track with which workouts I'm supposed to be doing on which days. And then that way, if this program has a rest day, I can flip the rest day to what fits my schedule best. Now, right down here is the nutrition tab. Each program will have its own nutrition tab that is not the same as the nutrition tab at the top. So if a specific program has a specific nutrition tab or like nutrition plan that you should be following, that information will be found right down here. So speaking of the nutrition tab, let's go back up to the nutrition tab up top. This has Beachbody specific nutrition programs. So if you decide that you wanted to look into the 2B mindset, which is like a freedom eating health food plan, or the portion control system, which is the containers that you would receive if you would be working with me in the Fit family, all of that stuff is going to be here. The next place that I want to show you is going to be BOD groups. This is where our Fit family lives. As you can see, our Fit family is right here. If you're part of this group, or when you become part of this group, you'll just be able to click here and log your workouts and be able to see the posts of the day and what everybody else is posting, encourage them, all of that good stuff. Now, the final tab that I'd like to show you about Beachbody On Demand is the blog tab. This is one of my favorite tabs, probably now besides the bod groups tab, just because that's where our fit family lives. This is my second favorite tab. So up here, you're going to see all of these different blog posts. So my favorite thing to do is to look up recipes on here. So let's say I had chicken in my freezer and I wanted to make a chicken recipe. I would go here, type in chicken, and I will find recipes for chicken. And then each recipe in this group has the container equivalents and the To Be Mindset equivalents, so that you can easily work all of these recipes into your meal plan seamlessly. And so that also has like Shakeology recipes as well. So if you wanted to click on the actual recipes tab, if you didn't want to search a specific thing, they do have just different things posted here. Ooh, this one looks really good. This golden chai coconut milk latte. That sounds good. So like I said, lots of stuff here. I hope that this is helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to message me and let me know.